Are we rolling?
Yeah. To explain air pollution in one sentence, what would it be?
In one sentence or one word?
Sentence.
Totally bad for everyone, including nature and people and every living thing. An awful, yeah.
Do you consider yourself environmental friendly?
Yeah, I'm trying to be very environmentally friendly by small stuff. Yeah, typical day stuff. And trying to think always before acting in certain ways and manners.
What do you think will happen to the world if we don't take action?
I think it will slowly die, and everyone in it will also die because of that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, if you had to explain air pollution, what would it be?
That's a tricky one. One sentence.
Like, what's it?
Helen, help! What's air pollution in one sentence? Short explanation. What would you say? Well, when people let things out into the air that are not supposed to be in the air, right? That's pretty good, wasn't it? Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Do you consider yourself environmentally friendly?
Well,
He is.
Helen thinks I
He's a
am.
prime example.
I don't think. The big problem is that the way we live in our country puts a lot of strain on the environment, no matter how well you want to behave. Because there are always things that perhaps to go to my job I have to take the bus or perhaps even the car sometimes. And it's not very environmental friendly, but I do my best.
Okay.
I think we all should. The thing is that what we are doing right now, we're actually consuming more planets than there are. If you can say that you consume a planet, because it's still there, but it's not as good as when you came there if you consume more than there is. Okay?
What do you think is the worst effect of air pollution?
A lot of people, a lot of animals get sick from it, and the worst thing is perhaps that a lot of plants get sick from it too. And if you get the plants sick, people and animals that have to breathe, right? We get less air, less oxygen in the air. I mean, we get perhaps less food, because if plants get sick, they will not thrive as well, and they will bring you less food, right?
What do you do to help with air pollution, or do you not?
We do take action, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What do you think is the biggest cause of air pollution?
I think the biggest cause of air pollution is I don't know, but it's a lot of it. One of the biggest causes is burning carbon in coal in many countries where you don't have any cleaning from the smokestacks, and it's perhaps the biggest one single cause of air pollution.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that was it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
If you had to explain air pollution in one sentence, what would it be?
Lots of unhealthy molecules that we breathe in every day.
Yeah? Okay. What do you do to help the air pollution, or do you not?
I don't have a car, so I walk everywhere. I use public transportation.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what do you think is the biggest cause of air pollution?
Everybody not doing their part and thinking that they can't walk or they can't do, they have to rely on cars and different things, and people just not understanding how they impact the world.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
All right, great, thank you.
Do you consider yourself environmental friendly?
Absolutely.
Okay, what do you do to help the environment?
Not much.
If you had to explain air pollution in one sentence, what would it be?
It's hard to say.
Okay, thank you.
It's hard to say. It's a lot of things to do.
Yeah.
But that's all.
Yeah. Ni snälla mot naturen.
Yes, no.
What do you want?
I don't care.
Så vad gör ni mot naturen som är bra eller dåligt?
Vad gör du? Jaha, ska vi prata engelska?
Ni behöver inte prata.
Det var bra. Jaha, men jag slänger burkar överallt och så slänger jag papper överallt och så, alltså, jag
orkar jättelänge.
Ja, jag med typ 2 timmar. Jag orkar inte bli sån natur. Hon ljuger inte.
Vi kommer gå under.
Ja, det är synd om dem
Fast
i
vi är
framtiden.
Fast vi är döda.
Ja, så det är lugnt.
Okej, tack så mycket.
Varsågod.
Hey, our names are
Anette.
Elsa,
Sjors, Axel.
and we're going to talk to you about air pollution. And I hope you enjoy this video.
How does global warming lead to air pollution?
Well, I'll tell you, Sjors. When you do your everyday activities like drive a car or watch TV, you burn coal and fossil fuels, which is not good for the environment, and it produces carbon dioxide. And if you get too much carbon dioxide, it all floats up into the air, and then the sun, and it traps the sun's heat, and so it gets hotter. And then the North Pole's ice is going to melt.
What will happen to us children if we breathe in bad air?
If we breathe in polluted air, the polluted air goes into our lungs, and then we can get asthma or a disease. 14,000 people in Sweden already died every year from air pollution. So 2 million people extra died every year from polluted air.
I also have a question. How does deforestation affect air pollution?
Well, I'll tell you, Axel. Since trees breathe in carbon dioxide and we breathe it out, we need trees to keep the carbon dioxide and oxygen in balance. Also, because the human population is growing, we need more and more trees. That's why.
Hey, what is acid rain?
When the gases in the rain collides, it turns into acid rain. And when it falls, it damages a lot of things, like soil, plants, or water. When it damages the water, it pollutes lots of fishes. And the birds that eat the fish get sick and die. And the animals that eat the bird die as well. And it's kind of sad that all this leads into extinction.
Thanks for
Watching
Bye,
Elsa?
Anette.
Axel.
and Sjors.
And I hope you take action.
Poor animals.
Poor these lovely animals.
15,000 people in Sweden are died every year. Have died.
I also have a question. How does deforestation affect the air?
Since trees breathe out carbon.
See? We didn't do anything. Well, Elsa, as you do your everyday activity, like drive a car or watch a TV, do your everyday activities like drive a car or watch TV, you burn coral to make coal.
Thanks for watching.
I hope you take action.